Imagine this. A 56-year-old guy rolls into the ED because of chest pain that hit him while he was just chilling, watching TV. He says it felt like a dull, pressury squeeze on the left side, and to make it even weirder, it shot up to his throat. The kicker? It faded away on its own in 20 minutes. Turns out this wasn't his first rodeo. He's had two other episodes this week while working construction, but only when he was really pushing it. No fainting, no sweating, no racing heart. The dude's got high blood pressure, lisinopril is his go-to, doesn't smoke, and his family tree's got some stroke history. Right now, he's cool as a cucumber. No pain. BP's 150/80ths, pulse is 78. ECG? Shows some T-wave inversion in B5 and B6, but otherwise he looks good. Troponins normal, X-rays clear. The team throws him on aspirin, metoprolol, atorvastatin, clopidogrel, and enoxaparin. 8 hours later, still feeling fine, no changes in the ECG, and troponins still holding steady. So what's the next play here? A. Send him home with meds, aspirin, metoprolol, and atorvastatin. B. Go for a coronary calcium scan. C. Hit him with an exercise stress test. D. Go all in with coronary angiography within 24 hours. E. Tell him he's good to go, no new meds needed. So this 56-year-old construction worker who popped into the ED with chest pain, classic case of unstable angina. Why? Well, his story checks all the boxes. Recent anginal pain at rest, T-wave inversions on the ECG, and normal troponin levels. Here's the deal. Unstable angina is pretty much like your heart sending out an SOS, but not quite going into full meltdown mode. No troponin spike. The ECG might show some shady business, like T-wave inversions, but no full-blown ST elevation drama. NSTEMI, on the other hand, is the same vibe, but with troponin elevations tagging along. So what now? You can't just wing it with these patients. The risk of something serious happening, like needing revascularization or, worse, varies a lot. That's why risk stratification is the name of the game. Enter the TIMI score, basically a checklist that scores their risk level. Age 65 or older? Nope. 3 or more CAD risk factors? Not quite. Known CAD with greater than 50% stenosis? Nada. Recent aspirin use? Negative. Multiple angina episodes in 24 hours? Nope. Elevated troponin? Clean. ST deviation greater than 0.5 mm? Not today. This guy scores a big fat 0 low risk vibes all around. So what's next? You don't need to rush him to the cath lab just yet. The best move is to get him on a treadmill, exercise stress test before he heads home. Why not the other options? A. Sending him home with meds is the right call only if the stress test comes back clean. No skipping steps. B. Coronary calcium scan? That's more of a screening tool for people who aren't in the middle of chest pain episodes. Not useful here. D. Angiography within 24 hours is for the big leagues, TIMI score of 3 or higher. This guy? Not there yet. E. Just telling him you're good, no meds needed isn't the move. He's officially got CAD now, and that means aspirin, a beta blocker, and a statin need to join the party. Key takeaway, stable patients like him need a stress test before discharge. If that shows trouble, then angiography gets a green light.